Welcome to Alvian House, where design meets purpose. If you're passionate about creating beautiful spaces that are kind to the planet, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make your home more sustainable in 2025, with practical tips, new innovations, and mindful habits that can make a real difference. 1. Start with energy efficiency. The first step in creating a sustainable home in 2025 is improving energy efficiency. Start by upgrading to LED lighting if you haven't already. They consume up to 8% less energy than traditional bulbs. Next, consider smart thermostats that learn your habits and optimize heating and cooling without wasting electricity. Insulating your walls, windows, and roofs helps reduce energy loss, keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Solar panels have become more affordable and efficient, making them a smart long-term investment. In many regions, you can even sell excess energy back to the grid. If solar isn't an option, look into community solar programs or switch to green energy providers. Remember, small upgrades, like sealing air leaks and using energy-efficient appliances, can significantly lower your carbon footprint over time. 2. Use sustainable materials, designing or renovating. Opt for sustainable, renewable, and recycled materials. Bamboo flooring is not only stylish but grows quickly and requires less water to produce. Reclaimed wood adds character and reduces the demand for virgin lumber. Look for furniture made with FSC-certified wood or recycled content. Low VOC paints and natural finishes improve indoor air quality while minimizing chemical pollution. Even smaller choices, like linen or organic cotton curtains, or jute and seagrass rugs, can bring eco-conscious texture into your space. The idea is to reduce reliance on synthetic, petroleum-based materials and choose products that are responsibly sourced and biodegradable. 3. Rethink water usage. Water conservation is key in a sustainable home. Start by installing low-flow showerheads and dual-flush toilets that significantly reduce daily consumption. Consider capturing rainwater for outdoor use through a rain barrel system. It's perfect for watering your garden or washing your car. In the kitchen and laundry room, look for Energy Star-rated dishwashers and washing machines, which are designed to use less water per cycle. Xeriscaping, landscaping with drought-tolerant plants, also helps reduce water needs outside. Don't forget to fix leaky faucets promptly. Even a small drip can waste hundreds of gallons a year. These little changes, when done together, make a big impact. 4. Embrace waste reduction and recycling. A truly sustainable home minimizes waste. Composting kitchen scraps reduces landfill contributions and gives you nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Set up a designated sorting system in your kitchen or garage to make recycling easy and consistent. Buy in bulk to cut down on packaging waste, and consider refillable containers for items like soap, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples. Donate or repurpose items you no longer use instead of throwing them away. In 2025, many cities offer textile recycling programs and community swap events. Check what's available in your area. The goal is to create a circular lifestyle at home, where everything has a second life. 5. Create a healthy indoor environment. Sustainability also means taking care of your health. Prioritize indoor plants that purify the air, like peace lilies, snake plants, and pothos. Keep your home ventilated to avoid mold and stale air. Choose natural cleaning products that are biodegradable and non-toxic. Reduce synthetic fragrances and opt for essential oils or naturally scented candles made from soy or beeswax. In 2025, indoor air quality is as much a focus as outdoor pollution, and a clean, healthy home supports both your well-being and the planet's. The more we pay attention to what we bring into our homes, the better choices we can make for our environment. Making your home more sustainable in 2025 doesn't require perfection. It just takes intention, step by step. From energy to water, materials to waste, every choice counts. Whether you're renovating, decorating, or just beginning your eco-journey, know that even small actions can lead to lasting impact. Thanks for watching and being part of this mindful living movement. Don't forget to subscribe to Alvian House for more inspiring ideas that bring beauty and sustainability together, one home at a time.